I introduce to you the puzzle of life. To some, it's a mystery, and to others, a strife. It was given to us at birth and consists of various elements. They are unique to us, and each one is relevant. But the one thing we all have the same is a body they live in this case, a frame. Most would admit, or likely assume, it is a perfect fit with no more room. Please inspect the frame to make sure it stays the same. Please confirm that all four corners are secure and intact, and the frame does not expand or contract. Each of the elements represents our dreams, our values, and our goals. For some, it's freedom. For some, it's love. And for others, it's the happiness inside our souls. There's loyalty, friendship, time, and money. Success and dreams all make us feel lucky. But what happens when life brings us something unexpected? You won't know how to react, and you'll want to reject it. But if we choose to adapt and adjust, we can learn to accept it, continuing to live our life in control and unaffected. Only now we are stronger and more self-confident, making the puzzle of life our personal monument. Until another problem comes our way, even bigger than the one before. The unexpected is here to stay, and it's something we can't ignore. But as we add more pieces, our determination increases. We refuse to struggle and accept more to juggle. Even though it's double the trouble, we're adding to the puzzle. We adapt and embrace, giving each value a place, for the puzzle of life always has more space. When we replace the frame that does not expand or contract, with all four corners secure and intact, you will see the puzzle itself has learned to adapt. For what was once a perfect fit has not changed at all because we gave permit. We cannot control what life brings to us, so it's best to accept and adjust rather than to be upset and cuss. The puzzle of life is an alchemy of our dreams, our values, and our goals. Accept it for what it is, for a happy mind, body, and soul. Thank you.